welcome to the very first Throttle Throwdown video. We're super pumped about this. We got an epic battle today. We're going to be racing to the top of this quarter-mile hill. All of us have a flag up there at the top. The goal is to grab your flag, bring it back down to the bottom, and stick it inside this hoop. Every Throttle Throwdown kicks off with a qualifier battle. The top 4 riders move straight on to the main event. Everyone else goes to the LCQ.
Trying to win. My flag is the 4th one from the right, so I'm just trying to line it up. Oh, almost tipped over, but I'm gonna line it up. I think on the whoops, it's gonna be kind of scary because everyone's gonna like scatter into the middle, and I'm in the middle, so it's gonna be kind of scary, but I'm excited to see what happens.
Well, there'll only be one flag up there by the time I get there, so I'll just grab that one, whatever number it says, and then maybe roll down with my bike down the hill, and hopefully I line it up to where I reach the hoop.
No strategy, all skill. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know, I don't really have a strategy. I'm just hoping for the best, and hopefully I'm in the top 4.
My plan is just to make sure that I grab the flag. It would be really bad if I got up there and just totally missed it. So I'm gonna really be focusing on that, just making sure I grab the flag, get down here before, you know, everyone else.
So I'm lined up between Bryce and Trevin, which is a little scary for me because they're both way better riders. So I'm probably gonna be eating dust the whole way up. My goal is just to hope that somebody misses their flag, because all I gotta do is be in the top 4 and then I'm good to go to the main event. So as long as somebody misses their flag and I can beat at least a couple other people, I should be good to go.
No strategy, I'm screwed. There's no hope for me. I'm hoping for a miracle. If you put money on me, you should have bet that I would lose. That's about it. I'm trying to not die right now. I don't care about the flag. Whoever that is, I beat him.
I think there was a few disputes there because I don't think all of the flags stuck in the hoop when they put it in. So we got to review the tapes and see who actually won that one.
Yeah, there's Tyson.
Bro, it didn't even go in.
Okay, but mine is the only one standing, and
Mine stuck and then it tipped over.
And then Dad's.
Hey, Josh and Tyson.
I couldn't Josh,
mine.
Dude, and then Jaden. That was so awesome. Everyone did a pretty good job.
Hey, go look at my flag. I've got the 2-foot shorter flag.
Nobody's gonna say that you didn't have the fastest flag.
You were the fastest one. Good job.
I would have had to literally go like this and go like that to put it in.
The fans will be rooting for you.
The last Chance Qualifier Battle, or the LCQ, is a second chance for the riders that didn't win the qualifying battle. The top 2 move to the main event. Everyone else gets eliminated.
We've made it to the LCQ. So right now we have Austin, Kyle, Trevin, and Tyson, and those 4 have a Frisbee up at the top of the hill. We have a Frisbee golf basket right here. The first 2 to make it into the basket will move on to the main event.
Probably just gonna wait till the wind is at its peak and then lift my disc in the air and just let it take off towards the basket. I think it's a pretty solid strategy.
Nothing really to think about. I'm the best player here. I'm always the best. Frisbee golf's my thing. I have nothing to worry about.
I just want to beat Kyle. I just want to beat Tyson.
All right, boys, let's go.
Ready?
it goes like 10 feet, and then I threw it again. You can see my tracks over there. I'm literally like going up and like just trying to get it over here. It just kept going towards the hill. It's so stupid.
That puts Kyle and Tyson in the main event now. That's awesome.
The main event is where the action peaks, with 6 riders battling for points. The higher you place, the more points you earn. These points stack up throughout the season. Whoever has the most points at the end of the season becomes the champion.
So we made it to the main event. We've got Bryce and Ryan, Jaden, Kyle, Tyson, and I. We've laid out a track around here with some cones, and we're gonna race around it. It'll be a total of 3 laps. We've got a hole shot right over here, and your starting position will be based off of where you qualified in the qualifying or the LCQ. We'll get to choose those positions, and we'll do 3 laps and race, and your finishing position will determine the points you get for the championship.
My lips hurt being out here in the Sahara Desert. Really bad.
My lips have never been so dry in my life.
So I'm right here on the right side. I hope I can get this whole shot and take that first corner and hold that. You know, it's gonna be challenging with everybody here. Here we go.
I definitely feel like the start is the most important part. This track's extremely hard to make passes on. If you're behind someone, you're getting that sand roost. Feels like you're being sandblasted. I mean, I think it's all about the start.
I'm really just planning on not messing up. I don't want to go down, especially on some of those corners. We got a pretty tight corner behind us. So if I just don't make any mistakes, if I can stay consistent, I think we'll place high, hopefully get the #1, get the red plate for next time. So
Obviously the hole shot is pretty important because that will put you ahead of everybody and you're not gonna get sandblasted in your face the whole race. I mean, I don't expect to take home first. I'm not by any means the best rider out of these guys. But if I can at least get, you know, 2nd or 3rd or 4th, I'd be happy with that.
I'm just ready to go home. My lips really hurt.
you're a baby.
I'm definitely not gonna win. I'm gonna go for, you know, the 3 laps and try not to wreck. And if I don't wreck, I don't care if I get last place. I'll be satisfied as long as my legs aren't broken.
Perfect. lap, dude. I can't see anything right now, but man, you did so good. I took the whole shot on that. And after like the first lap, oh, Kyle just went down. Oh no, Kyle.
I got roosted so hard coming out of here. Bryce, Josh, and running that first loop, I'm sitting there like, just trying to not get sand down my throat.
I had a good hole shot right there.
Blasting.
After Dad passed me on the second lap, I literally got the worst arm pump I have ever had in my life. Like, I can barely move my hands right now. That was exhausting, but man, that was so much fun. I can't even tell, Josh, who finished first, me or you?
I think you got me on the face of the jump. I hit it slower and we were like neck and neck. I got you on the
yeah, you passed me right at the corner before it, and I was like, I'm freaking sending it, so I hit the finish line first, and I just like floored it, and then on like the lip of the jump, I think I passed you.
Yeah, you got me, because I remember I was going up the jump, but I saw you come flying past, I was like, gosh dang it. Oh, I thought I had you, but I slowed up too much.
All right, that race was incredible. It was so hard once I saw Bryce and Josh get out in front of me on that whole shot, and then I was getting roosted. You know, I just pulled out once we came around that first lap, and I got my Chance in there. It got really tough though. I stalled right here in this corner over here. The good old Honda fired right up. It's been a really good day.
Yeah, I mean, we had a great start. I took the whole shot. I was rallying around that first corner pretty hard. It wasn't until like halfway through the second lap that I saw Dad pass me. After that, like, my arms were shot. I was just doing everything I could to just not fall over. Dad even, like, he kind of went down and like stopped for a second. I was like, sweet, this is my chance. And then somehow he got back up and going and just stayed in front of me. It was a great race. We had a great time. I want to thank my sponsors, Anderson Hitches, Anderson Printing, and obviously Throttle Bros for making this all happen. Had a great time. Super pumped for the next one.
Yeah, it was a great race. I got a better start than I thought I did, but that was, you know, kind of what carried me through, because had I not had a good start, I probably wouldn't have passed anybody. Ryan got me on the second lap, then Jaden got me too on the second lap, and I don't know how, but I was able to get Jaden back, and then I almost got Bryce right for the finish, and I didn't want to send it off the finish line too big, so I slowed up and let him pass me, but didn't realize he was that close behind me still. So kind of sucked, but still took third overall. I want to thank Anderson Hitches and Throttle Bros and Anderson Printing for making it all happen and come together, so good race. Good race. Good race. Thanks for the help.